Put on my shoes, stepped outside, had nothing to lose except my life. Oh, that's worth it. And I've been a quitter since the day of my birth, and that might help you understand just why it is you're not holding my hand. I'm here to serve and protect anyone who feels rejected.